Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fariza Fatahirudin. Uh, Today I would like to express my opinion regarding the rampant smoking activities in our campus area. We all know that cigarettes contain thousands of harmful chemicals that can damage health. Cigarette smoke not only endangers activity smokers but also passive smokers. In a campus environment, there should be a healthy and conducive place for learning. The, the, the presence of cigarette smoke is certainly very disturbing. Imagine when we are focused on studying in the library or in the open space, suddenly the smell of cigarette smoke within beside this disrupting concentration. Cigarette smoke can also cause various health problems such as respiratory issue, cancer, and heart disease. Therefore, I invite all of us to together create a smoke-free campus environment. Let's start with ourselves by not smoking in campus area and encourage our friends to do same. Thank you for your attention. Hello guys, my name is Fariza Fatahirudin. Today we will learn about one important part of English, which is question word. Question word, there are actually more than that. Let's discuss them one by one. First, number one, what, where, when, who, how, and why. Basic formula for interrogative tense. Question word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb and plus complement. Example, who is your friend? Number 2, what are you doing? Number 3, where do you live? Note, auxiliary verb, a helping verb that is used depending on the tense of the sentence. Example is, I'm, are, was, where, do, does, did, have, has, and had. Subject, the door in the sentence. Main verb, the main verb in a sentence. Complement, a word or phrase that complete the meaning of sentence. Example of interrogative sense with various tense. Simple present, who eats breakfast every morning, and what time does the movie start? Simple past, where did you go yesterday, and why did she quit her job? Present number 3, present continuous, what are you reading now, and who is calling me? Past continuous, what were you doing when the phone ring? Number 5, simple future, when will you finish your homework? How will we get there? Special case, whose and which. Whose usually followed by a noun. Example, whose book is this? Which often used to choose between several options. Example, which color do you prefer, red or blue? The use of do and does in interrogative sentence. Do used for subject, he, she, it, and plural forms, they, we, you. Does used for subject, he, she, it. Example, do you like coffee, and does she play the piano? The use of be in interrogative sentence. Be the verb Be, I'm, is, are, was, were is often used in interrogative sentence, especially to ask about identity, state, or location. Example, are you a student? And is he at home? Question word and their function. What? Used to ask about subject, people, or thing in general. Example, what is your name and what is your favorite color? Number 2, where? Used to ask about a place or location. Example, where are you from and where are you going? Number 3, when? Used to ask about time. Example, when did you finish your homework and when you be home? Number 4, who? Used to ask about a person as a subject or subject, a subject or object. Example, who is your best friend and who called you? Number 5, why? Used to ask for a reason or cause. Example, why are you sad and why did you do that? Number 6, class, how? Used to ask about the way, state, condition, or amount. Example, how are you and how many books do you have? Question word in different tense. Question words such as what, where, when, who, why, and how are essentially for asking question in English. The tense verb in question indicates whether the action is happening now, present tense, happening in past tense, or will happen in the future tense. Example, number 1, what? Present tense, what do you do? Past tense, what did you do yesterday? And future tense, what will you do tomorrow? Number 2, where? Present tense, where do you live? Past tense, where did you go on vacation? And future tense, where will you go after school? Number 3, when? Present tense, when does the movie start? Past tense, when did you arrive? Future tense, when will you be home? Number 4, who? Present tense, who is your teacher? Past tense, who called you? And future tense, who will help you? Number 5, why? Present tense, why are you late? Past tense, why did you quit your job? Future tense, why will you buy that? And last but not least, how? Present tense, how do you feel today? Past tense, how did you get here? Future tense, how will you get there? Example of using question word in everyday life, buying item, how much. Example, how much is this bag? What material is used to make dessert? Cooking, how much salt I add? How do I peel an onion? Going to the doctor, what is causing my headache? What medicine should I take? And in emergency situation, accident, who should I contact? Where is the nearest hospital? How do I provide first aid? Which door should I exit through? Where is assembly point? And how do you extinguish the fire? Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.